Because of that expectation, what happens is I put undue pressure on myself. I think so.
Okay.
Like in a setup in a like office, most of the issues are my office issues only.
And then that spills over to house also.
Huh?
That spills over to house also.
No, actually.
No?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
But I keep myself so busy in office
I know that.
that others have problem with this. Then is the next thing that I want to do my office work, and then others have expectation. Like primarily my wife. That I'm not able to like basically I talk to her when I am going to office or when I am coming back in the car. Those are 2 times when I talk to her, and then she's like, "Yeah, you're always busy."
Yeah.
So then I'm like, I have to do work, and then people get she gets angry and all that. I'm like, "Madam, I already have office problem, and now you're putting another problem." Give me some freedom and space. So that is one problem. Another problem is office.
He's telling to me, see, he's listening and telling to me.
Okay.
But Guruji said no family problems.
No, he's saying his problem. His family has a problem because of him. That is different.
So basically, how should I manage? That
Okay.
is
Yeah, fine.
One other thing, and then another thing is like I put, that's a major problem because I put undue pressure because in our office there will be people who are much better than me, and there are people who are laggards. But I aspire to be top, and then there are people who are like really super intelligent, and then.
Yeah, there are.
And I'm working with one guy. So people expect from me also that I will also deliver at the same level and do those things, and so I feel somewhat sometimes shrunk, saying that if I'm trying to do best, but probably what should I do to reach at the next level?
Okay.
Or
Okay.
or how should I?
No, I got the answer. Okay.
To balance the
Okay, I got the answer. Okay, I got the problem. I'll give the answer. It doesn't require meditation. It requires a counseling. To solve this problem, it requires a counselor.
So when I had this problem and I went to a counselor regarding this problem, he told me that you should have thought of this before getting married.
Yeah. Okay, number 1. I expect a lot from myself. Okay, that is the question. Now, what do you expect a lot from yourself? Is the question.
That probably I should also perform at that level, or my mind should also probably if I see something, it should be like everything should I should know how to do and whatever. I take a lot of time. I think compared to like I also compare with the extreme folks only.
Correct.
That's probably my problem.
First thing in life you have to learn, whatever position you reach, there's always guys who are better and smarter than you available on the earth. Okay. You are the topmost.
But then the mind doesn't want to accept that you are
No, I'm saying
them.
I'm saying that. Okay, that's the reality of life. And whatever you do, there will be always people who will below you. Okay, that's the law of nature. Guy is super smart, super bright, super this thing. He will soon encounter somebody who is better than him. May not be in all respects. In some respects, somebody is better because everybody has their own strengths, right? I tried to sell my car, Tavera car. Okay, I had a Tavera car, and I was not able to. That was actually becoming very difficult parking, everything, big car, no. So I wanted to sell it. So I put an advertisement. There are so many people came. They said its price is high. I wanted to sell it at 5 lakh rupees. Okay. Then one guy came in. Looks like this. Okay, he's looks very poor. He came. Sir, how much is this thing? 5 lakh. 5 lakh cash.
Oh my God.
I asked, what are you doing? He said, I sell Pani Puri. Baba, you get 5 lakh rupees? Huh? Sir, don't underestimate me. My daily income is 2,500 rupees. Okay? I have only 10 Pani Puri shops in Bangalore. Okay? So, this was actually, what is that? Must be in 2006 time frame. 10 Pani Puri shops, per day income is 25,000 rupees. How much is the income per month?
7,50,000.
Huh?
7,50,000.
And do you earn that software engineer?
No.
I will
Okay.
change my profile.
Okay, too late.
Okay.
Continue.
And that guy says, I work only 3 hours a day. 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock, that's his peak time. And I have problems, I have to work on Saturday, Sundays also. That is peak working day. And he's earning 8 lakh rupees a month. No tax, no income tax. Okay? Now you guys are very smart guys, working in all the high technology. Do you earn 7 to 8 lakhs per month? Tax free? He's smarter than you. And he didn't waste his time in studying engineering. I asked him what he studied. I said, I studied 7th standard. This is life. Okay? So now, how you beat that guy? Tell me. Huh? You can't. I was zapped. I said, okay, Baba, you take the car. I gave him some discount. Okay, take it. And what do you do with this car? Sir, I am opening a driving, what is that? Rental business. Car rental. So this car I am giving rental. I am hiring a driver and having car for rental. That guy has already made a business model also for that. Already he is uncoming by this and he is diversifying into car rental business. Okay. Now how will you say you're smart? He is smart. How will you beat that guy? Tell me.
I'll start going to office early 8 in the morning. Come by 5 o'clock in the evening.
And only early.
And, just next to office, I'll start standing with Pani Puri.
Okay. So please understand.
They will probably kick you out. Recent news you would have heard, right? This Google has actually funded one company. This company didn't respect Google ethos, and Google actually withdrawn the money.
Is it?
Today's news.
Oh.
TechCrunch.
Huh?
Nice.
Today's TechCrunch, the news is that Google actually funded them
How
$100
big?
million,
$100 million.
and they have withdrawn that money.
So now what I'm saying is, whatever you do, there are guys who are smarter than you.
Yeah.
Okay. Now problem with you is you are comparing with your education qualification, with your same standard, with your job, within the company you are trying to compare some people and say they are brighter than me. Just look around the world. There are much smarter guys than you are all around. You cannot beat them. Okay. Very simple. That's the aspect of life. But you have some strengths which they don't have. And you have some weaknesses. Okay. Now question is, can you work on strength and be better than anybody in given aspect of your strength? That's all you can do. You cannot beat everybody on the earth. Do you have some strengths where you can improve and be better than anybody in that area? Not every area. You cannot be broadband. Okay. No matter how hard you try, you cannot talk like me, Guruji. No matter how hard I try, I can't earn like him. He's working on the best companies in the world. Huh? Yes or no? This life is like that. But I can't feel jealous about you.
So, should we accept third or fourth position and say that?
No,
okay,
I'm
fine?
saying-
because if
I'm saying don't worry about third or fourth position. I'm saying you have a unique slot. Now you look at politics, right? You're looking at this debate which is going on, political debate which is going on, right? Who are the guys who are there? Three big names which comes into your mind. Huh. Number one.
Kejriwal, Modi.
Aap and Kejriwal, number 1 and 2. Modi is number 3. What strength Kejriwal has? Okay? Nothing. But he has a unique slot. He can shout at anybody.
He's a mosquito.
He's a mosquito.
There was a very good article on that. He's like a mosquito which actually keeps flapping in the ear of an elephant.
Okay? No matter how hard you die, it is his strength. He'll build on that. Today you say shout, you'll shout from this here. That is his strength. Now, now he cannot be as good as Modi in finances. He cannot go as good in power with respect to Sonia. But he has his strength. Now he aspires to become any of this, he's gone. The politics, other guys are screwing up themselves because they want to copy from others and may do something. It doesn't work that way. You have to identify what is your strong point, work on that continuously and improve on that. Okay? Be the best in that. Don't try to be best in everything. Not possible.
So, what I am trying to be best in is the field where others are also there.
But
tech is
no. The question is the technology is you take Java. Okay?
Whatever.
I'm saying, giving an example. Right? Java is one technology area.
Project I am working on.
Is one technology area. There are multiple people work on that. Okay? Everybody is a smart engineers. All people are from top colleges, top rankers, bright students. Everybody is. Right? Now the question is, in that you have to carve out a slot for yourself where people say, this guy is the best. Don't try to compare. Don't make it yourself into comparison with everybody else. That you have to find out. What is the best in you? What is the slot which is for you in that? That nobody can find out. Now what you are trying to say, you are getting diverted your attention by looking at all the guys. I am saying look at yourself. Find out what is the area where you have to work continuously on yourself. And be the best in that particular area. Have you found out that?
Sir, the person in my team, they are like almost best in everything. I actually used to think I am good in maths, but after going there, I have fear from maths. They are discussing all.
See, what I am trying to say is you are getting dragged into their...
So basically I don't try to compete also in those areas, but like the project which I am doing and the technologies and other things, that's where I try to be best and try to... And though I am in top 3 in that team, but then there is expectation from the other guy.
No, what I am saying is, what are you...
Like
what I am saying is,
I should go ahead.
that's what I am saying. Don't get dragged by others. Define, this is where I am going to be the best. Work on that. And that shows off to others. Don't play into the games of others.
If, say, for example, you were the top already, then would you have this feeling?
See, I'll tell you, Abhishek, in my office, I'm telling you for just sake of saying, okay? In my, this thing, office, right? Things went bad. The business went down, okay? My team got dissolved. And I had to probably leave in a 6 months, 5 months, 6 months time. That's the situation. It's a worst situation. Now there are so many bright young guys here around, all around, younger than me. Then what do? Okay? Then I looked at myself. I am good in embedded. I understand embedded ecosystem. I started striking relationship with multiple embedded partners. Now today I am known that if I go to Prabhu, any relationship he is able to build any strategic relationship that nobody else can do. Okay? Ultimately, sooner or later in life, you have to find out your unique point. And you have to work on that. Now your problem is that you are not stuck on that unique point. Okay? Unique point is if everything becomes very competitive, everything goes from you, still you have something which is unique in you. That is your core strength. Now have you found that is the problem? You think mathematics is core strength? No. Mathematics you have one of the possibilities. But that's not your core strength. What is your core strength have you identified? Okay? I'll tell you my core strength, which I am very clear. What is that?
No, actually, then I feel I don't have any strength.
That doesn't work that way. It's not that.
Because I'm good at things, but then to say that I'm the best in that is...
No. I'm saying it is you are comparing with respect to others. Don't do that. Look what you have. There is something in you. Everybody is unique. Everybody is individualistic. No two fingers are alike. Okay? You have some uniqueness in you which you have to recognize it. If you are not recognized, recognize it. Sooner or later, you'll start working on that. Okay, that is the solution. There's no other solution. You cannot be better than everybody in the earth. It's not possible. And sooner or later, those people also will recognize that they cannot be good in everything. They have to be focused on certain things. And that area, nobody can beat them. There is something in you which is unique to you, which nobody can beat. Have you found out that? Work on that. Mathematics is good. You find somebody else who is better in mathematics. No, that's not. Okay? That is your problem. Identify your strong. And there are weakness in you. Okay? Definitely there are weakness in you. Alright? Then you look at somebody who is better in that. Try to copy something to fill up your weakness. Learn something to fill up your weakness. But for strength, you don't need anybody. Weakness is somebody is good in mathematics. Learn something from him and fill up your weakness. But that will not give you the strength. The strength is what you have already. Grow that. What is that you have is the question. Have you identified it? Why? It may not be mathematical skills. It may not be programming skills. Okay? I have recognized what you have. Whether you have recognized is a question.
Is it my ability to gel well? I gel well with the folks I have, team and other people. I think so.
That is actually requirement. If you don't gel well, you'll get kicked out. This guy in a performance appraisal, your people management skills is zero. I'm not.
Generally, juniors like me. I think so.
Huh?
Generally, the juniors who are around me like me.
What I'm saying is, I've given some thought to you. You go and observe yourself and see. Okay? And this not necessarily engineering skills, not necessarily mathematics skills. Something you are really good in that, which you can improve and work throughout your life. Not even if you lose this job here, it will be working on that. Okay? That is what you would find out. There will be always competitions here. There will be always better than guys you. But then better, don't improve your strength. Improve your weakness. As long as job demands it. Somebody is good in dancing. No, I also want to become dancing. No, don't do that. If your job demands a good mathematical skill in some area, fill up that. Don't try to beat better, smarter guy. And life is about having smarter guys work for you, not to be smarter than you. That is the smartness.
Don't use your brain, use other guys.
Are you able to get the best mathematics guy work for you and keep him happy? That is your smartness. Not being. And how old are you now?
29.
29. For your kind information, after the age of 25, your ability of the brain to understand mathematical skills starts going down. It's a decline. Okay, the peak is already gone. Okay, the skills, new skills which you learn starts decreasing. What you have, you have to protect it and grow. Another 5 or 8 years, you'll understand that you can't learn any new skill. That's life.
My job demands every day learn something new and do.
But then job will throw you out also. Yeah, that's the IT. That's what your technology area here. But then that's not your going to be strength. Your strength will be how to motivate people, how to bring people together, how to achieve something larger than which you can't achieve individually. That's what going to be strength. Right? That's not mathematics. That's not engineering. That's not physics. That's not chemistry. That's not biology.
Leadership.
That's how soon you will enter in that area. And you will appreciate a very, very smart guy, very well knowing that you can't even be half smart as he is, but you will know how to motivate that guy and work for you. That's your smartness. And your boss is there, right? The company boss. What is that? Do you think he has a half mathematical brilliance upon any of his students? He won't have. he has the ability to bring all these people together.
No, he's pretty smart actually. He's a Harvard graduate, IIT.
It's okay, but you give a mathematical equation, can you solve as smart as you can?
Probably not.
You won't be able to.
Obviously, he cannot be best at all the things, but he is good at something.
That's what I am saying. You try to become good and find identify what you are good in and work on that, rather than worrying about every bloody person on the earth. It's not possible. And I will tell you, even a guy guy who's selling his sweets in the street is better than you in some aspects.
Definitely. In aspects, I think.
Why bother about so many people here?
They
See
have
what
to
you have.
practice it.
Huh?
They are practical.
They're practical. Why bother about so many people here? Study what you have. Your problem is
They are more free actually.
your problem is identify your strength and work on that. Identify your weakness and learn from somebody. Don't feel bad about anybody. Life is about that. Okay. Then second question is work-life balance. Okay, you have some work in office, some work in something in home, some demands in home. Right? How do you balance this?
Impossible to strike the balance.
Don't strike the balance, no. Decide this is the time for office, this is the time for family. And dedicate. Try to meet that week after week.
If people get angry at you for no reason, then what to do?
That will happen anyway.
That was one of the clauses.
There are some things. Send her to this class. After some time, I'll also repair that. Okay. What about you?
I don't have any major problems.
We don't have any problems.
The only thing I think there's a lack of direction. Guru has not happened in life. That happened.
Okay.
Figuring out other problems like egos and reactiveness, impulsiveness are going away.
Okay.
Like,
Very good.
the other things are, I think I'm observing, right? As you're getting old, you'll figure out your body is not into. I think gradually there's a, even though you think you are great fit, but
After the age of 25, you start losing whatever you have.
right.
Okay. That's the age we get married also.
It's getting you, Abhishek.
Women get loose in another artha. This is a damaging statement.
What?
I'm not the
A
one.
woman is after marriage getting damaged. Andre artha ಇದೆ ಗುರುಜಿ.
No. You're not understood what I said. You're not understood what I said.
Okay.
25, age of 25 is peak in the physical, mental, intellectual condition. Okay. After the age of 25, the mental ability starts either stagnating or reducing. Then to learn a new skill becomes difficult.
So is it because you get married?
No, I'll tell you the marriage and relationship. I'll tell you. Okay. The skills will become new ability to learn new skills will come down. You may improve on that. Okay. The second thing is physically also you'll be at a peak at 25, and unless you maintain, after that you have to do maintain physical exercise, all those things to maintain what you have. Okay. Then what will happen? Till the age of 25, you are a mama papa's baby. You are pampered, you are owned. Okay. Now after marriage, you have everything 50-50 or 40-50, 40-60 or 70-30. You have a partner. Everything you have to claim together. Okay. So whatever you call as your own, you have to share. So that's what I'm saying. After the age of 25, you start losing many things in life. Losing ego is one of the aspects of marriage.
It's very important.
And that's why I recommend everybody should get married. Compulsory. If you want enlightenment, get married.
One thing is you learn how to lose.
And
Otherwise, you see, the world is centering around you. Okay?
How you can kick the world but not. Only one kick you get.
So,
Person can kick.
you are all your life till the age of 25, you are grown with a pampering, thinking the world is going around you. Okay? Then after marriage, you realize that the world is slightly bigger than you. And when a child is born, you understand, oh my God, there is another center in the world, gravity. क्या कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? मेक सेंस? ओके. Hey Sharda,
The expectations. Expectations.
what do you expect you tell me in life? Is the expectation right or wrong? Actually, I thought some meditation will teach you. Actually, none of this requires meditation. Actually,
For me,
we'll come to that. Okay. What is expectation?
expectation like I want to perform like this. This should go like this. Same answer.
Okay. Like this, you do. Tell me, what is it like this? Let me understand. Like this.
Let's suppose I'm doing the work.
Ah.
Like I want the food to be tasty. That's what like. That's the expectation I have.
Fine. No, nothing wrong in
It
that.
doesn't go tasty like.
Nothing wrong in
the
that.
way
No, nothing wrong in having expectation. So, what is your problem?
Not
Is
really
expectation
like-
problem?
Expectation is the
Why
problem.
expectation
like, I'll
problem?
not accept like if it doesn't.
Because others won't eat no Guruji. Not naked.
Is expectation problem?
No, like if I don't meet the expectation that I have kept for myself, then I feel guilty. Like
Now you. Now I understand. That is not a problem. Expectation not a problem. Feeling guilty is a problem. So expectation you have to have in life, not for feeling guilty. Expectation is definitely important in life. Expectation is required to improve yourself. Okay. So suppose you keep expectation for yourself, something which you can't reach. Then every time you can't reach, you'll feel bad about it. That's not the purpose of expectation at all. What is the purpose of expectation? So that you grow. You grow. Right? So if you have expectation that I'll grow this big in a day, then you'll definitely not. Then you'll have some guilt or something. So the expectation should be there, but expectation should be one step at a time. Okay? Now I have some expectation for you. Okay? This is some staircase, right? Okay? Right? How many steps are there in it? Not counted.
5, 6.
Now you go. Okay? I want to watch. Okay? So climb 3 steps at a time and come back. Let me see.
Now you want.
Now I want to see you. And if you fail, I will beat you. Okay? 3 steps. How many steps are there? 1, 2, 7. These are all related to all these 7 steps are designed. 7 chakras. Okay? So now.
To realize like whether I have a capacity to meet the expectation.
No. Right now you start climbing 3 steps. Okay, come down. Okay, now only 4 steps at a time. No, you have to do. You have to do. There's no choice.
Then I will try.
Try. Doing better, okay? Now come down. Now 5 steps. I have expectation.
I can't do it.
I'm feeling bad about it. Do 5 steps. Why you can't do?
More stretching myself. I bend my
So what is the message?
Accept people as they are, as situation as it is.
What is the understanding of life?
know your limits.
Know where you are. Whether you can climb 1 step or 2 steps. Okay? Climb 2 steps a day today. Do it well. Now tomorrow if your leg becomes a little bit flexible, do 3 steps a day. And 4 steps a day you can't do. Stop at that. Why kill yourself for that 4 steps? Are you doing that?
So fear of looking fool in front of others is the thing why we want to excel.
I'll come to that. I'll come to that. The question, that question you give it. So, are you doing yourself like expectations?
Like wrong expectations also. Like,
6 steps a day. Why you want to do that? Tell me. Simple, yeah. Know where you are. Okay? Don't have illusion in life. Today you have some capability. Do to the best of that. Tomorrow do small increment. Don't set an expectation which you can't fulfill. That is a guilt. Why are you doing that?
And also like taking the action, like I feel thinking.
No, let
but
me come
not
to
taking
first
action.
for this thing. Why are you keeping an expectation which you can't fulfill? You tell me.
But how to know that we can't fulfill the expectation?
Come. I'll show you.
No, not in this area. Not in this area. Different areas.
3 steps. Okay, I have to beat you also. Okay. Now, 3 steps in there. Go. No, go. Next 3 steps. Okay, come back. Now, 4 steps in there. Come, 4 steps in back.
There was a good pen.
Now 5 steps.
Over. Mind. We also work to mind. Good.
Come.
Slowly
So,
go.
what was your question? What was your question? Tell me. How do you know what is our limit? In this,
That area I know, but in different areas, like
in this simple thing, you know, life is as that complex. Huh? You can't know, you don't know what you can do, what you can't do. Then what's your problem?
no, some I can think. Let me try.
I can think of.
Give me an example which you can't do. Please tell me.
Like in the software field, if I think like I can go there.
You started doing JavaScript, right? Apprentice.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
The question is, you can think of n number of things. But what you can do today is limitation. So always think what I can do today, what I can improve tomorrow. Okay. Now if I tell you, climb the staircase after 1 year, then you'll say, I'll think possibly and come back. Then you'll escape. That's why I say, what you can do today is very clear to you. That's your limitation.
Yeah,
Then why your illusion that you can do anything on the earth? Tomorrow you improve. Day after tomorrow you improve. Then you'll come to a stage where no more improvement is possible. Right? So then where is the confusion? Where is the wrong expectation? You tell me. Wrong expectation is because you are thinking of something in future, living in today. Today you know your limitation. Work on that. Tomorrow improve 1%, 0.1%. Where is the question of wrong expectation, wrong illusion, guilt feeling? Where is the question? Is there? Tell me. Tell me. What illusion you have? Tell me.
that I can do. I can perform well in the web development. That is an illusion or a.
I can
reality,
perform
don't know.
well in the development. Today what you can do?
I can learn something. I can learn.
So you are in learning mode. You are not do well in web development. So tomorrow what you can do?
Learn more.
Go one step at a time in life. Then your expectation will never get hurt. So 2 steps, maybe you try. But try today. So why are you having wrong illusions about yourself? Tell me.
So we want the same reward as the successful guy we see, and I think less effort and more.
You want rewards and recognitions what other guys are having. Okay, then you are trying to stretch yourself to beat that, which is not possible, no? Are you clear? Did you get your answer to the question? What was the question? Tell me.
No, but in which area there is also confusion, right? You ask me one by one.
You are asking all the questions of all people. Once I am through it, nobody will have any questions. You tell me, which area?
Clarity is not there.
What are you today? That clarity you have?
Yeah.
Improve on that. Are you a dancer today? So you can't be a dancer in life, future. Are you a singer today? Then don't be a singer. What are you today?
Simple. I don't know what I have to
You don't know what I have today?
do. Means in which sense?
You said what skills I have, what you have today. You grow on that. What you don't have, you can't grow. You have to start somewhere. You want to be a beautiful dancer? You can be. But you have to make a beginning today. Have you done that? Improve every step, one step every day, and you will become something. So now what you want is, you want to something to happen, but you are forgetting what you have to do today. I am saying, forget what you will become. What you have to do today, focus on that. Are you doing that? Then what is your question? Huh?
No, but
You-
in which area I should try, that is also not clear. to
How
me.
many areas are there for you?
Lot of areas.
How many areas are there?
Lot
Tell
of
me.
areas are there. That's
Tell
what
me, how
I'm
many areas are
confused.
there? How many areas are there? Tell me. Lot means I'll understand. How many areas are there?
Banking is
Okay,
there.
banking is there. Fine.
Web development is
Web
there.
development is there. Fine.
Then Gayatri told me testing is very easy.
Testing is there. Okay.
Government job you said.
Government job. For
Government job is
only
there.
banking. Three areas.
3 areas are there.
And admin.
Admin is there. 4 areas are there. How old are you?
27.
Huh?
27.
27. Are you eligible for all these jobs now?
Yeah.
How long you are?
I
Until you become old and Aji, Nani?
No, for the government only 30 years is remaining.
So 2 years, 3 years more.
That I want to try for government.
Okay. Then what else is there?
Then web development.
Okay.
Then
Then
I can do any. There is no limit.
how many hours of per day you are free for focusing on these?
4-5 hours.
5 hours free. Okay. In 5 hours, how many things of this you can focus on?
I can make a timetable that in these 4 areas I should focus or one area I
No,
should
no. The
decide.
moment you make 4 hours, you divide into this, then you know answer.
Okay. I mean, you mean I want to try that.
You want to try become web developer. You want to try bank employee, and what else?
That office I know I can do.
So these three things for trying out. Office admin you have to do. What you do? You have to apply for a job, right? Then you have to forget all these two,
Yeah.
right?
It is also true.
That's also true. As if I am telling a lie so far.
She was offered.
Too many choices actually.
There's not too many choices, boss. That's the problem.
If the choices are
No. This is the politics actually. There's not too many choices. Very simple. Okay, there are not too many choices. That's what I'm trying to point at her. Now,
if the choices are more than
there are no more
No,
choices.
it's paining now.
Tell me. How many choices you have? You said there are 3 choices. Okay, if you become admin assistant, the other 2 choices are gone.
Yeah.
So why don't you become that?
So I have to think in which area I should focus.
There are only 3 choices for today.
Survival issue is not there. That's a problem.
There are only 3 choices for you. So which choice you want to choose?
That is only not clear, Guruji.
Clear का है. If you want to become admin assistant, then the other 2 are gone, finished.
Yeah.
Okay. So then, do you have 3 choices or 1 choice?
One choice.
Otherwise, you give up this choice. Then remaining 2 choices are future,
Okay.
right? So you want to keep the future or present?
Present.
She was offered an admin assistant job.
Then what is your problem?
I'm thinking what to do, whether I should go for a government or I should try for web development.
No. If you are going for a government, admin assistant choice is not for you.
No.
There are only 2 choices for you.
But how to decide between 2 choices? That's a question, Guruji.
How do you decide? You tell me. You have only 4 hours a day. How many hours per you require for studying to the government, the bank exam per day?
4 hours.
Then how many choices you have?
Only one choice.
Life is always one choices. Why are you confusing multiple choices? Where is the confusion?
Or I can give a one try and then if
One
I'm
try
not
means
success,
1 try means 4 hours per day, at least next 8 months. Are you doing that?
I will do now.
You are wasting your time asking questions and thinking. Focus on what you can do.
Okay.
If you want really banking job, you don't have time for web development.
Yeah.
You don't have time for administrator. There's only one choice for you, right? 4 hours per day, at least 8 months you have to study before you can get a decent entry into that job hall. Not for passing the examination.
She had a job in ICICI Bank.
Huh.
No, but government is different and private
No,
is
no.
different.
Let us say government. She has 3 choices. I'm saying there are no 3 choices. Only one choice is there.
First,
Government
make
job
up
is
your
pretty
mind.
bad actually.
Ah.
We have-
No. Abhishek, you have not understood the requirement. I should get salary, but I don't want to do work. That's the
Exactly.
requirement. She didn't say government job actually.
Real government job.
Real job. So that's what she wants. But to get into that, you have to study for 4 hours a day and next 8 months. Are you ready for that? Then where is the choice for you?
Okay, that's
Then what are you confused about?
Okay.
Huh?
Covid is here.
Huh?
Sir, I think girls have the luxury. That's why probably they keep spending time thinking and all that. if there is a survival issue,
There is
you
no-
have to earn tomorrow.
Basically,
You will
there is
not
no
think
ass on
that.
fire. They can put fire under her husband's ass.
Double cannot think like this. Should I do Java?
Actually, my 2 daughters, I put their ass on fire. Okay? A couple of days I saw. They are very comfortable with their life. Daddy is giving them money. I put them completely real on fire. Okay? I told my responsibility is till your basic education. After that, you have to fend for yourself.
Yeah.
And I told him how much is the money involved. They got really shocked. Okay? I want to bring that life responsibility very quickly. Not that I don't support them, but they have not understood life, how come it is.
So to fund your bank education, you have to earn.
Earn. Now you see.
And that Activa you want to buy, you have to earn that money.
Earn that.
Correct.
So then you'll understand. Then you understand that there are no two things you can't do.
Only one thing.
One thing you can do. So I think you should tighten the screws a little bit. She's
Yeah.
tightening your screws. Okay? Our screws have become rusted. So you say, you do one thing.
Sir, do you think we have a choice?
I'm giving you the choice.
Can you?
No, because both people are there. I can tighten something here, loosen something here. Only one person comes, only one tightening possible. That's the advantage of the husband and wife coming. Okay?
No, that's
So, very simple. How much money you need for earning your learning, studying, and this one?
For what? I have enough money to do that the banking course.
Okay. Now, what else?
You don't need
You want some money for Activa?
Active, I manage that also.
Web development is not a problem for her actually. She'll get a project and get it executed.
That's how she has the current money to start with.
Okay? So if you really look at life, please understand none of us have multiple choices. If you had a choice, probably you would have become Prime Minister of India today. You don't have a choice. Theoretically possible. Practically no. Practically your life is only one choice. Now you are mixing up, to run away from the responsibility, you be confused so many issues and say, I can do this, I can do this. You can't do anything. Bloody. You are useless fellow. Really you are useless.
So it should happen that in Indian families, 6 months husband should take off and then should support the house. And then there should be equality clause also, because there's only one thing which happens, we are not equal, but then there is nothing like we don't do anything to become equal.
Yeah, 6 months if
Actually-
you are ready to do the wellness,
actually-
cooking, everything, they'll go.
I actually-
They'll
happily do.
right, they also need
Actually,
a-
my
they
wife
also
said,
enjoy the
can I join a job?
environment.
Okay? My wife said, can I join a job?
Yeah, surely. can
I
do
said, very happy you go to job and give me freedom to sit at home. That day she dropped the idea of going to job.
No, I'll simply tell her that give me 10,000 rupees a month, and from that I'll have made arrange for cooking and cleaning the vessels, and I'll enjoy at home. That's very easy.
Okay? So you are actually confusing the issues and saying I have multiple choices. You don't have bloody any choice in the earth. You are married to this fellow and you don't have a choice.
There's
Married
no
to
choice only.
No, you are married to this fellow, there's no choice. Theoretically there's choice. You can marry the film actor, you can marry a dancer. There are theoretical choices. Theoretically there's a choice also. You can divorce this fellow and marry somebody else also. Practically no. Practically you are already old, nobody will marry you.
Especially after my disclaimer.
What is?
Especially after my disclaimer, I'll warn the future husband.
In the Facebook also. In the Facebook also you'll put okay. So theoretically you have many choices in life. practically you don't have any choice. Bloody, you're
Zuckerberg has
stuck.
spoiled their life.
Huh?
Zuckerberg has spoiled their life. Zuckerberg has spoiled their life.
Spoiled their life. Why are you confusing you as if you have many choice in life? You don't have. You don't have choice. It come to your head. Only understand that how much hour you have per day. You are bloody thinking of all the future hours and wasting your time. You don't have time. If you don't put that 4 hours today, you can forget about banking job in the next 6 months. You'll be too old for that. And all fresh guys, BCom guys, will be able to beat you with their eyes closed. And my dear, you are not young. You are becoming auntie. Understand life. You are becoming auntie, and there are young girls who are there who will beat you, able to beat you. And that 4 hours you are wasting thinking of so many things. If you really want to beat some girl, before you are called auntie, and sometimes you will be called nani also, use that 4 hours today. If you really want. Otherwise, you relax. That fellow is earning money and is in good company. As long as that good company lasts, enjoy. Why are you worried about it? Huh?
That company will last forever.
No. He lost in that company, so how do you know?
I don't last at any company for more than a year.
So, the company will last, but he lost in the... Okay. So, is that clear to you? Any questions? Now you write down what problems you have in life. Because meditation, I want to teach meditation. Bloody you, none of you are coming with the right problem for meditation.
I have come, Guruji.
No, I have to come to you. Because I have taken the last case.
I had a doubt, Guruji.
Huh?
You said that after marriage you lose the sense of ego and you you realize that you don't have your time anymore and all. But it is the other way for wife, right? I mean, she gets her time and husband's time. And she gets to enjoy from husband's time. And
Life is also very balanced.
Yeah. That's what I
For that life, listen carefully.
Reality is both.
In life, you get something in life and something will be taken away.
Am I right?
She gets a freedom, okay? In addition, she gets MIL, FIL, BIL.
Theoretically, one can create a lot of problems. But
Practically, no.
And Guruji, fear, jealousy, ego.
Huh.
That 3 also.
Yeah. So now you understand how to drop it, huh? So now you tell me, what do you want to do in life?
I want what I want in my life.
Huh.
I want to become a good banker.
So how much time you have to spend?
4 hours.
Why are you sitting here? Go.
No, first I want to realize the self.
then you don't worry about them.
Then we forget Forget your banking.
Whatever.
Why are you wasting your today thinking of something which doesn't exist tomorrow? Okay? Soon the girls who come to the banking exam will call you auntie. Why are you coming for this exam? With your glasses, you will look really like auntie. Right? Waste 1 more year, you can forget banking job also. Why are you spending time in wasting? Okay? That's the point. And you don't have 3 choices. You have only 1 choice in life. But the choice has to be made today. You are keep on posting the 3 choices for future. It doesn't work that way.
I have to put efforts today.
Tomorrow doesn't exist, my dear. Tomorrow you'll become auntie. Day after tomorrow you'll become nani. Who will give you a banking job? Tell me. Huh? Do you understand the word auntie and nani? Now what are you today? Are you smart young girl? Huh? Beautiful young girl?
Yeah.
You are not.
How sad.
That's the reality of life.
That is ego.
Huh? You are Moti, Gujjo, auntie.
What, Guruji?
Sorry, you are being very mean.
I am telling you frankly.
Yeah, she
Don't be
gained-
so mean.
Huh?
after we went to Gujarat, she ate a lot of sweets. and,
Sweets also. So now, you are still have dreams. I am very smart. I can compete with those young girls who are coming that become and I'll compete banking job. Maybe another 6 months after that you'll drop that job, drop that idea. Huh?
At least I can try.
Why do you want to become a banking and that to government job? First of all,
Boss, I told you the
it's a
principle.
transferable job.
I told you, I want money. I don't want to work.
Government job. I want.
Okay. Then if it's transferred, it is his headache to come find a job nearby. Don't worry about
Which
that.
is not possible, right?
That's
For
not
80%.
her, that's not her problem, yeah. And she's telling her problem. She wants something, money, and without job, without work,
Not
Okay.
work, without work, less work.
and with less work. Okay.
Then why don't you sit at home? What's the need for-
No, now also the same thing is happening. Now also
She
same thing is
wants
happening.
an enhanced, different version of that.
Okay, now we are wasting too much of time on meditation. Okay, let's go to meditation here. Okay, what anybody else says? Nothing.
But Guruji, all these problems you see, it's a lack of complete awareness and consciousness.
Yeah.
It is obviously pointing to meditation.
No. The meditation happens once I bring the awareness. I asked her, what is blocking her meditation? Auto cab. Silly cab is blocking her meditation. The moment you solve the problem, meditation happens. I don't have to do anything. Others, I sit for meditation. People come. I've been doing meditation for last 10 years. My mind is full of thoughts. Bloody, who taught you meditation? Yeah. Meditation is not doing. Meditation is happening. Once the issues are, big awareness is there, when issues are clear, okay,
Mind becomes-
that's the problem. People think meditation is a technique. Meditation is not a technique. And every technique, bloody technique, you get some 5,000 rupees, you give one technique. 10,000 rupees, you get a better technique. After 10,000 rupees also, your mind is same.